Hi everyone, I am Murshida V, 4th semester MSc Mathematics student from E-Content Development Center, Majlis Arts and Science College, Puramanur. Today we are discussing about the topic basic concepts of graph. Today we are discussing some basic definitions of graph and their example, and difference between connected graph and disconnected graph, and what is meant by complete graph. We can start with an definition of work. Definition of work: an alternative sequence of vertices set V0, V1, V2, etc., Vp and edges set E1, E2, etc., Ep of a graph G is a work. That is, if we transverse a graph, then we get a walk of a graph G. It is represented as W, V0, E1, V1, etc., EP, Vp. The walk joins V0 and Vp is called V0 Vp walk. V0 is the origin or initial vertex and Vp is the terminus or terminal vertex. Note that each Ei is incident with Vi-1 and Vi. Length of a graph is the number of edges in a walk. Let's see an example. Here V0, E1, V1, E2, V2, E3, V3, E4, V4, E5, V1, E2, V2, E6, V5 is a V0, V5 walk of length 7. We know that length of a graph is the number of edges in a walk. Next, trial. If the edges appearing in a walk is distinct, then it is called trial. That is, trial is a walk with non-repeating edges. Let's see an example. Here V0, E1, V1, E2, V2, E3, V3, E4, V1, E5, V4 is a trial. In trial, vertex can be repeated but edges should not be repeated. Next, definition of path. If the vertices in a walk is distinct, then that walk is called path. That is, a walk is path if the vertices all are distinct. Next, let's see an example. Here V1, E1, V2, E2, V3, E3, V4 is a path. V1, E1, V2, E4, V4, E3, V3 is another path. Note that a path is automatically trial. The walk is closed if V0 equal to Vn and it is open otherwise. Cycle. If V0, V1, V2, etc., Vn-1 are distinct and n greater than or equal to 3 in a closed trial, then it is called as a cycle. A cycle with length n. It is denoted by Cn. That is, a cycle is a closed trial in which all vertices are distinct. Let's see an example. In this graph, V1, E2, V2, E3, V3, E4, V1 is a cycle. It is denoted by C3. In particular, C3 is referred to as a triangle and C4 is referred to as a square and C5 is referred to as a pentagon. If P equal to V0, E1, V1, E2, etc., En, Vn is a path, then P inverse equal to Vn, En, etc., V1, E1, V0 is also a path. P inverse is called inverse of path P. Definition of connected and disconnected graph. Two vertices U and V of a graph G is said to be connected if there is a UV path in G. If every pair of a graph G are connected, then the graph G is considered to be a connected graph. In a connected graph, all the vertices are connected. If a graph is not connected, then it is called as a disconnected graph. Let's see an example. Here G1 is a connected graph and G2 is a disconnected graph. Components. Let Gi are the induced subgraphs of Vi. Clearly, each Gi is a connected graph and they are called as a components omega of G. It is clear that omega equal to 1, then G is connected. If omega is greater than or equal to 2, then G is disconnected. Example: above figure is a disconnected graph with 4 components. Complete graph. A simple graph G is said to be complete if every pair of distinct vertices of G are adjacent in G. Each such graph is denoted by Kn. Example: K1, K2, K3, K4. Totally disconnected graph. A graph possesses no edges at all. Such graph is called totally disconnected graph. Let's see an example. Here the graph is a totally disconnected graph with 4 vertices. I hope all of you understood my class. Thank you.